Ano ba yan? Maiiwan pa yung Starbucks. Morning! Good morning, Queenstown.
Wow, good
Ang
morning,
lamig!
Queenstown.
I'm with my
Hello.
friend from Bohol. So we're going to Starbucks. So this is ang labas ng aming hotel. Napakalamig, napakaganda, guys. Ooh. Ay. See that mountain there? See that sky? So, habang ginagawa ko tong video na to, it's 8:15 here in Queenstown, pero sa Manila is just 4:15 a.m. dyan. It's now 1 degree ang lamig dito. Look at that. Yes. Lamig. Hawak ko ang aking Rulite bag. Mga essentials. So, here. It's in front of the hotel.
And the tour guide, Ian is there.
Dito sa Uber. Teka. Ay, mag-video ko lang. Oh, this is my good friend.
Akin!
Akin. Oh, that's Akin.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good
Morning!
Good morning.
Yeah.
Going to Starbucks.
Teka muna ang earrings ko na. Hulog ang earrings ko.
ETA to Starbucks. How many minutes?
It says 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's too far.
Yeah, but if there's no traffic. But
Okay, I hope so. That. Is it okay to open the window?
whatever you like.
Oh, okay. Hola. Look at that. Ang lamig. Wow! Look at the scenery. Naninigas na yung kamay ko agad. Oo, lamig yun. Yes. Parang ka nasa lab talaga. Uy, ang ganda ng bahay. What's that? Oh, it's a coffee shop. Oh. Houses. Ay, dito sa Italy. Kahapon. Ayan o. That's where the steamboat, right? The steam wharf. Oh.
Here. Dito ko. Maganda ang view dito.
Wow! Really? Oh,
Yeah, we
that's
were
real
there.
engine. Yeah. What? Good morning. Siguro ang sarap dito na ano ka, yung nandito ka, wala kang hinihintay, parang laid back ka lang. Parang maglalakad lang ako dyan, magko-coffee in the
Yung
morning.
yung driver namin kagabi, we asked him. He is Brazilian. And then he's been here for 20 years now.
Wow.
First time he came here, mga 2 weeks lang, because he loved the place. So they migrated here.
Oh. And then 20 years after, yun na.
So they have kids na, yes.
Oh.
They have a family na.
Sabihin, nakakuha siya ng work dito and
Yeah.
everything.
Ano siya? Citizen na siya.
Citizen na, no? Ano kaya dito?
There.
Yeah. May Pinoy bang nagbabalik? Alright. Let's walk. Dito tayo. Can we grab some? Okay, dito na ang Starbucks.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
We
Oh. Hi. Can I buy this? Yeah. Not unless you give me some freebies.
Freebies?
Freebie. No freebie? That's
After the sun.
all right. Here's mine. Thank you. Starbucks. Ngayon, time check 8:26. Kailangan natin bumalik na sa hotel because we're leaving at 9. So, we gotta go. Probably take some picture. Ano ba napapa-English ako kasi nasa ibang bansa tayo eh. Oh, grabe oh. Ang ganda. Look. Look. Ito pa tayo ng Starbucks. Nabili namin yung mga dapat nating bilhin. At kailangan namin bumalik. Look at that to. Ang lamig. Lamig ka. So ngayon, nag-book na si Ate Shen ng kanya naming Uber. And sana makarating kami before 9. Time check. What's the time check? 8:39. We'll be there. So we'll be leaving in. The hotel is about 5 minutes away lang. Ayun! May iwan pa! May iwan pa ba yan? May iwan pa yung Starbucks. 152. That's our Uber.
Morning.
Good morning.
Okay.
Mercure?
Mercure Hotel.
Whew.